Hi darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case if you're just stopping by for the first time, this is Talk with Mara YouTube channel. Please do not go without clicking on that subscribe button. And if you're OG, a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for always coming back to watch, to comment, to share, and to do all the good stuff. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So this is what I called prepare a client order with me. How do we get here? So I have a video on my channel on how I made my children's pap from scratch, and guess what? I got a contract. You heard me. So I started off with going to the market to get the ingredients, the corn, the guinea corn, the millet, the dates, tiger nut, ginger, and everything that we'll be needing for this pap. So when I got home, I washed and soaked. So as you can see, this is the third day of the soaking. So I've washed this like 3 times to make sure I remove all the dirty water, make the water clean. Then I've also washed the tiger nut, the date, and ginger. Go to the blender and I'll blend it. So this is how it's going to be looking like after blending it. Then we sieve. This is where the job lies. This is where the whole thing lies. You're going to sieve continuously with enough water, and after sieving you'll be seeing the chaff, like the end result of the chaff. It has to be thoroughly clean, like you have gotten the whole pap out of it. So you just squeeze and keep it out as your trash. Then after this process, I'm going to cover it up and leave it for some hours so the water will settle down and I'll be able to get my pap, the original pap itself. So these are the pap that have been properly sieved. These are the buckets here. So I've left this for, let me say, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, or you can leave it as much as you can. You can leave 2 hours, but I was going out on this day, so I just decided to rush it. And here I'm about to take out the water so we can see the main pap, like the main thing that we have been doing since morning. So you gently take out the pap, like drain out the water so you can get the pap. So if you look closely, you're going to see the pap behind, like underneath the water in that bowl. You're going to be seeing the part there. So this is what we are going to do. Take it out gently, do not rush it so you won't get to mix the water and the pap together again. So we're going to do it continuously until when we are done with it. Then you get your bag, your main clothes bag. This is very important. So even if there is still water remaining in the pap, this bag also helps you to drain it well, to get out the excess water. So as you can see, I'm about to put it in the bag. This bag has been rinsed, so I'm going to fix it in a bowl and put it in the bag. Yes, I know there is still water there, but the bag is going to help us to drain it.
The next day.
Okay guys, so this is the next morning. So I left this on my kitchen sink to help get out the excess water, and here is what we have. So let's open it and see what is inside. This is it. This is our pap. Oh my god, are you feeling this? And the flavor, like the tiger nut and dates gave it like all this, I don't know how to describe it. So I'm going to be tying this in a nylon portion by portion so we can store it properly. And here is the result. Here is what we have. This is how we have been doing it. Like if you want to put it in a plastic container, it's also good, but I usually tie it on this nylon. So whenever I'm ready to make the pap, I can just take out a particular section and get it done. So this is very easy and everyone can actually do it. All you have to do is just to watch this video to the end, and after watching, drop a comment if you have a question, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine.